Alright, so let's get started with our football break for the week. It is 3 mega boxes of Penny Playbook 2021 and 5 blaster boxes of Absolute Football. Absolute Football, this is I think the last blasters I've got of this product. We opened up a bunch in the past few months and got, I think, 3 or 4 Kaboom cards. So hopefully we're maybe get another one, take another shot at least. And the Playbook Mega Boxes have an autograph and memorabilia card in each one, so it should be fun to pull those open as well. So let me go ahead and get to the randomization here. I've already pre-randomized a little bit here. And then I will shuffle them up more on random.org 10 times, so here we go. Gonna put the results in the chat and then I'll read them out for everybody. All right. John R. has the Cardinals. Jeremy R. has the Falcons. Andrew R. has the Ravens. John R. has the Bills. Jeremy R. has the Panthers. Brian N. has the Bears. Raymond L. has the Bengals. Brian M. has the Browns. John R. has the Cowboys. Raymond L. has the Broncos. John R. has the Lions. Brian N. has the Packers. John R. has the Texans. Jeremy R. has the Colts. Brian M. gets the Jaguars and Chiefs. Brian N. gets the Raiders. John R. gets the Chargers. Brian N. gets the Rams. Brian J. gets the Dolphins. Greg L. gets the Vikings. Cole K. gets the Patriots. Brian M. gets the Saints. Brian N. gets the Giants. Brad P. gets the Jets. John R. gets the Eagles. Brad P. gets the Steelers. Roy O. gets the Niners. Jeremy R. gets the Seahawks. Brian N. gets the Bucks. John R. gets the Titans. And Roy O. gets the Washington football team. Alright, good luck to everybody. We will start off with the Absolute Blasters, since those are not necessarily guaranteed to hit. Got a Micah Parsons rookie card, defensive rookie of the year. Rondale Moore, Hunter Long, Stargazing of Josh Allen. Des Fitzpatrick, Jalen Camp, Sean Wade, and there's a Trey Lance rookie card for the Niners. Unsung Heroes, David Bakhtiari, and a few vet base there. Joseph Asai, Tutu Atwell, Cornell Powell. Got a Justin Fields introductions insert. Elijah Vera Tucker for the Jets. Levi Onwuzurike for the Lions. Javonte Williams for the Broncos. Seth Williams for the Broncos. Got a Pat Mahomes green parallel. Michael Carter for the Jets. Caleb Farley for the Titans. Frank Darby for the Falcons. Got a by Storm Jamar Chase insert for the Bengals. Zach Wilson rookie card for the Jets. Owusu Koromoa for the Browns. Daz Newsome for the Bears. Simi Fehoko, Cowboys. Green parallel of Boogie Basham for the Bills. And looks like we got a jersey card here. Rookie materials, Cornell Powell for the Chiefs. That is not a numbered card. That's going to Brian M. Congratulations, Brian. Last pack of Blaster 1. Elijah Moore for the Jets. Brevin Jordan for the Texans. Anthony Schwartz for the Browns. And Shi Smith for the Panthers. On to Blaster 2. Travis Etienne for the Jags. Jamar Jefferson for the Lions. Chauncey Golston for the Cowboys. Trey Lance by Storm for the Niners. Kwity Paye for the Colts. Here's a Justin Fields base card. Trayvon Moehrig, Josh Palmer. Yeah, Cole, that'd be wild if we pulled a Mac Jones Kaboom. I think those cards are going for like $1,500 or $2,000, something like that. Pete Werner, Jacob Harris, Brandon Stevens. Stargazing of Derrick Henry. Of the Kaboom cards we did pull, I don't think we pulled any rookies, unfortunately. Adafe Owe for the Ravens, Najee Harris for the Steelers, Chuba Hubbard for the Panthers, Joe Tryon for the Bucks. Wow, Cole, a Peyton Manning hanger, Peyton Manning Kaboom out of a hanger, that's wild. Greg Rousseau, Devontae Smith rookie card, Javon Holland for the Dolphins, Jacob Bailey for the Patriots, Unsung Heroes card. Davis Mills for the Texans, Chris Evans for the Bengals, Ian Book for the Saints, Peyton Turner for the Saints, Jamar Jefferson green parallel for the Lions. Patrick Jones for the Vikings, Sully Samuel for the Chargers, Ramondre Stevenson for the Patriots. Got a Trevor Lawrence introductions card as well. Yeah, I definitely can't get enough Kaboom cards. I might take a look on the secondary market and see if there's any blasters for this product for a decent price. There's Jalen Waddle, Quincy Roach. These are my last blasters of the product, and it's fun taking a shot at those Kabooms. Chaz Surratt for the Vikings, Kyle Trask for the Bucks, Jamin Davis for the Washington football team, and a Jamar Chase introductions card. Yeah, I figure Absolute's probably long gone. Jalen Darden for the Bucks, Ojulari for the Giants, Frymouth for the Steelers, Gary Brightwell for the Giants, and a buy storm of Ian Book for the Saints. Amon-Ra St. Brown, Michael Strachan for the Colts, Elijah Molden for the Titans, Juju Smith-Schuster red zone insert. Kyle Pitts, base rookie, Nick Bolton, Terrace Marshall Jr., Kelvin Joseph for the Cowboys. Marcus Stevenson for the Bills, another Micah Parsons, Rondale Moore, stargazing of Russell Wilson. Hunter Long, Des Fitzpatrick, Jalen Camp, Sean Wade. Green of Josh Palmer for the Chargers. Pack feels pretty thick here. Good. Base Trey Lance. Gonna work in reverse here. I think it's a jersey card. Marquise Brown, absolute burners for the Ravens. It's going to Andrew R. Congratulations, Andrew. And last pack of this blaster. Tutu Atwell, Cornell Powell for the Chiefs, Barrett Tucker for the Jets, Onwuzurike for the Lions. Absolute Blaster 4. Got Frymouth for the Steelers, Gary Brightwell for the Giants, Amon-Ra St. Brown for the Lions, Javonte Williams introductions. Strachan for the Colts, Molden for the Titans, another Kyle Pitts for the Falcons, Nick Bolton for the Chiefs, ETN by Storm insert. Terrace Marshall, Kelvin Joseph, Marcus Stevenson, red zone of Russell Wilson. Another Micah Parsons, Rondale Moore, Hunter Long, Des Fitzpatrick. Jalen Camp, Sean Wade, another Trey Lance, Nick Bosa stargazing. Joseph Asai, Tutu Atwell, Cornell Powell, Elijah Vera Tucker, Kenneth Gainwell, green parallel. Onwuzurike. Lions. Javonte Williams and Seth Williams for the Lions. Allen Robinson, Unsung Heroes. And last pack of Blaster 4. Michael Carter, Frank Darby, Caleb Farley, and another Zach Wilson base. Alright, last blaster. Demetric Felton for the Browns, Nico Collins for the Texans, Carlos Boogie Basham for the Bills. There's a Mac Jones. Took a little while there. Kylan Hill for the Packers, De'Ami Brown for the football team, Shane McKitty for the Chargers, Fred Warner, Unsung Heroes. Kenneth Gainwell, Sage Surratt, Jalen Phillips, and we got a parallel here. Very nice, Jamar Chase. This is, gosh, I forget the name of this parallel now. It's been a little bit. It's not on the, not on the box either. But orange. I don't know if they're called a laser or what. So 199, number 29 out of 199. Big get there. Congratulations going to Raymond. Congratulations, Raymond. That's a pretty sweet card, especially out of these blasters. ETN for the Jags, Jamar Jefferson for the Lions, Chauncey Golston for the Cowboys, Kwity Paye for the Colts. Another Justin Fields base. Trayvon Moehrig, Josh Palmer, introductions of Zach Wilson. Pete Warner, Jacob Harris, Brandon Stevens, Dafe Owe. Another Kenneth Gainwell, green parallel. There's Najee Harris, Chuba Hubbard, Joe Tryon, Kyle Trask by Storm. Greg Rousseau, Devontae Smith, Javon Holland, Davis Mills, and unfortunately that is our last absolute pack. So no kaboom for us. To get a very nice Jamar Chase card though, but definitely wishing for that kaboom. What can you do? There's Miles Sanders. Jameis Winston. Got a zoning commission card of Derrick Henry. There's a Ramondre Stevenson rookie card and a Caleb Farley rookie card. Jerry Jeudy for the Broncos. David Montgomery for the Bears. Got a Bradley Chubb Blitz card. Marcus Stevenson for the Bills. Kwity Paye for the Colts. I think this might be the hit. I'm opening that last. Dobbins, Woo! That is a nice looking parallel there. Adafe Oe. I guess that's the purple parallel that they mentioned. That's really nice looking. Not numbered. Next up, Michael Carter, Musu Koromoa, and Kellen Mond. I think the hit might be right there. Let's see. So Jalen Waddle rookie, Justin Herbert. One of the cards is back behind here. Saquon Barkley captain card. Let me flip this around here. Game day materials, AJ Dillon. So let's go into the Packers spot. Brian N. That one is not numbered. Got the nice Waddle rookie card there as well. I said 2 purple parallels per box. Oh, I see. The other purple parallel that we got is a Justin Herbert. Just the other one's a different kind of parallel, unfortunately. Nicer looking one. Thought maybe they'd be given 2 of those, but on the box number 2. Kenny Galladay, DeAndre Swift. Got a captain card of Matt Ryan, Kellen Mond, and Jabril Cox for the Cowboys. Feels like that might be the hit. So moving that to the back. Damian Harris, Eric Stokes, purple parallel. Really like the look of these cards. That one's for the Packers. Kareem Hunt, Zoning Commission. Jalen Camp for the Jags, and Dwayne Eskridge for the Seahawks. Devontae Adams, Marcus May, Kenny Nwangwu, next up insert. Patrick Jones for the Vikings, and Adafe Owe for the Ravens. This one's a purple parallel there. Alright, so I'm gonna flip these over. Got Kadarius Toney next up insert. Tylan Wallace, rookie. There's a purple parallel of Christian McCaffrey, and Ian Book, Gridiron Gear jersey card for the Saints. It's a black relic there. No numbering on that one either. Hopefully we'll get an autograph on the last box, but we'll see. Chase Claypool, James Robinson. Got a Blitz card for Brandon Ayuk, Ken Nwangwu rookie, and Chris Evans rookie for the Bengals. Teddy Bridgewater, J.J. Watt. Next up of Cornell Powell, Kyle Trask rookie for the Bucks, And a purple parallel rookie of Travis Etienne Jr. for the Jags. 2 more packs to go on this break. Derwin James. Let's see what this parallel is. Dalvin Cook. Josh Jacobs zoning commission. Got Jamar Chase base rookie and Azeez Ojulari. Thinking a jersey card here. Dwayne Eskridge next up. Jamin Davis. Jalen Hurts purple. And a Josh Palmer next up. Jersey card. Blue colored patch. Don't see any numbering on that one either. That one's going to John R. Congrats, John R. And let's recap. Let's see what we got. 3, 4, 5 jersey cards, looks like. Got a lot of base rookies out of Absolute. A few Trey Lance, 1 Mac Jones, a couple of Justin Fields. Yeah, you got the Marquise Brown Absolute Burners, the AJ Dillon Playbook Game Day Materials. Next up, Josh Palmer rookie card, jersey card. Cornell Powell rookie materials for the Chiefs. Rookie jersey card of the Saints for Ian Book. And hit of the break, definitely that Jamar Chase, number to 199 out of Absolute. Beautiful looking card there. Wish we got an autograph is the only thing, but got some nice jersey cards at least. Would have been nice to get one auto out of Playbook though. We will have the hits definitely flowing next week though. We're doing another Rookies and Stars break. 2 longevity boxes and 1 hobby box. Had a lot of fun with that last time. I think the best hit of the break might have come out of the longevity box we had. So those boxes are pretty stacked, and the Rookie and Stars hobby boxes are pretty fun. So hope you'll join for that one. It's on the website now. And that's it for us tonight. So thanks so much for joining. Appreciate you guys coming back to us, and we will hopefully see you next week. Have a good rest of the week. Take care. Enjoy your weekend, and we'll see you next time. Peace out.